Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a speed clean with me. I am going to be tackling my entire house today. This was filmed over 2 days, just so you know. And I hope today's video gives you some quick cleaning motivation. It's not a very long video. To be honest with you, I didn't even plan on posting a cleaning video this week, but yesterday I was like, you know what, let me just film what I would normally clean up on a daily basis and combine it all together in a video and share it with you. So that's what this week's video is. So as you can see, my house is pretty clean, and I also rearranged again. I know, I move my furniture around all the time, but my house is very clean on this day where I am just tidying up. And I wanted to share with you this video because although I do a lot of messy house clean with me's, something I've been working on is cleaning up throughout the day instead of letting my house get so out of control and then trying to clean it all up at once. I've been doing like a 10-15 minute cleanup every few hours, and this has been a lifesaver because usually I would wait 2 to 3 days and let my house kind of get out of control. Then I would spend an entire day cleaning it top to bottom, only to wake up the next day and have a mess again and feel like all that work was for absolutely nothing. There's nothing worse than doing that, or folding all the laundry and then open up the drawer and you can't find any clothes. It's like, what in the world? I just finished all the laundry. So basically, long story short, I've just been cleaning every few hours, 10-15 minutes here and there, instead of letting it get super out of control. That way I'm also spending more time with my family and I don't feel like my job is never ending type of thing. Y'all know what I mean. But here I'm just washing a little bit of the dishes, loading up the dishwasher, and I'll play a little bit of music. I will play a little bit of music and then I'll hop on in just a little bit. The next morning, I got up and made my bed, and then I'm gonna open up the blinds, get the bowl of cereal from my husband's side of the bed. Now, I don't always make our bed, so don't let me fool you. I make it every now and then. I like the way it looks made, but let's just be real. It doesn't happen all the time. But I do always open up my curtains and blinds because that is a complete mood lifter for me. I just love to be able to see the natural light coming in. Even if it's raining outside, I need to open the windows or I feel like I'm trapped. I don't know. It's just something that I like to do. So now in my daughter's room, I'm gonna clean up in here. This is probably the messiest room of the house on this day just because this is where the kids always play together. And we had a little situation happen with the beads that the kids make bracelets out of. You guys, the beads will be the end of me. How many times am I going to learn my lesson and just finally just put them up to where the kids can't reach them? But as you can see here, we had a incident happen, and it's actually a really cute story, so I'll tell you that real quick. So basically what happened was my daughter's birthday is coming up, and my son was going to make a surprise for her, so he got the beads out of the closet and he was trying to carry them to the table, and they slipped. When they slipped, the container fell and busted open, and that's what happened. So then he went and got a cup and he tried to pick them all up without letting me know, and then Zoe knocked the cup over while I was in here, so then they went all over the place again. And I just thought it was super sweet that he was trying to make her a bracelet for her birthday and surprise her. Although he should have asked, but it's okay. Kids do the cutest things sometimes, and you just gotta you know, it's fine. It's just beads. It only took a minute to clean them up. So I got those cleaned up, and then I had him help me get up underneath the bed and get anything big out from under here so I could vacuum. And you can see that there's a few beads that were under there still that the vacuum like was not picking up, but it was just an awkward angle, and I was trying to hold the phone and film at the same time. I don't know what I was trying to do here. I was trying to give y'all some good angles, but it didn't work out. So I wanted to share with y'all this top-end vacuum that I got. Came with this little nifty tool that you can just take. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. We do. You just take it and slide it along, and it cuts all the strings with ease.
Mom, but yours is bigger than mine.
Yeah, mine has more in there. See, look at that. It's so much easier than having to like try to pull it out or use a knife, because that's what I'm known for, is just grabbing a steak knife. But this is great, and then you can, you know, pull it all out.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot, now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be, you know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close, closer than before. And no one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings, I just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. Closer than before. Closer than before. Hiding all my feelings.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mop the bedroom. I am just gonna do a quick little mop in here, nothing crazy or anything. If you hear that in the background, that's my son screaming. He's playing with Zoe, so it's just loud in my house all the time. It's really hard to find a space that's quiet to film voiceovers. That's mom life. And anyway, mopped her bedroom, and now I'm in my son's room. I'm gonna tidy up in here, and tell me why I opened his closet door to find the pack of crackers in there. He's so sneaky, I swear. Kids are like the best thing ever. It's so funny. But anyway, I'm gonna clean up in here, tidy up his bedroom. He's gonna keep screaming, so let me just play some music for you. So in case you were wondering why my son was screaming, it's because him and my dog Zoe, she's the Catahoula mix, the one that always lays on the back of the couch, they were playing hide and go seek. And I'm not exaggerating, you guys. They play she plays with him like she's a child. He'll go hide and then she'll come find him, and them two, they're two peas in a pod. It's like the cutest thing ever. So in case you were wondering why he was screaming, that's why. So this video is almost over. The last thing I'm going to be tackling today is just the bathroom. I needed to spray down the mirror, wipe down the vanity. This bathroom gets a ton of use. This is the one we always like to share for some reason. It's the smallest bathroom, but tell me why we all come to this one. I don't know. And then the shower door always looks horrible. So I try to keep up with this, and I just, scrub it down with Dawn. I share this all the time, but this is something that I make a point to do every single, I was going to say every single week, but I do it every few days just to keep up. If I don't, then I really have to put some elbow grease in there, and it's just miserable. So anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this quick speed clean with me. I hope today's video gave you lots of motivation and a little bit of entertainment. But thank you again for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.